Right now, I am in the home page of Blogger once I sign in, and here you can see that I have a blog post. So right now, the title of the blog is title of blog right here, just like this. And if I were to go around and view this, then you can see that there's this title of this blog right here. Let me just get out a full screen right here and get back onto Blogger post. If I want to go ahead and edit out the title, then I can click on this blog right here. And over here on the top, you can see the title of the blog. So now what you can do around over here is type in the title. So let's say, for example, I'm going to say example tutor tube blog title right here, just like this. So once you do this, what happens is that you can update it. So instead of posting, you can see update is an option. So if you were to go around and then click, then the changes are saved. So now if I were to go around onto this blog and refresh it right here, you can see that the title of the blog changes out. And that is how you can go around and add and change out the blog titles as you like inside of Blogger. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.